Hello, this is AJ with JEFA Tech. I want to go over this item. This is our cable bushing, item number or SKU CB400. This is a rubber cable bushing for Low Loss 400 or RG213. Any cable with a 3/8 inch diameter. So for example, this is an example cable. This happens to be our 400 flex cable with an SMA connector on here. This is the cable bushing. So what this allows you to do is send your cable through an exterior wall. You can drill a large enough hole in your wall or your surface you're sending it through to easily get the cable and connector through, but then seal it up when you're done. So as it comes, this is what it looks like. This requires an approximate 13/16 inch hole, just under 1 inch, and the hole on the inside is a 3/8 inch. So this is perfect, like I said, for our Low Loss 400, 400 flex, RG213. So to give you just kind of an example of what this kind of looks like, I drilled a hole, or I cut a hole in this piece of cardboard just to demonstrate. So this is a 13/16 hole, just under 1 inch. And you can see it fits in right there. So this represents your exterior wall that you're drilling a hole into. So there's two ways to do this. One way, if you have a connector on your cable that's fairly thin or about the same size of the cable, so this is an SMA male, you can simply push this through. So it's rubber, it's pliable. You'll be able to push this all the way through, pop it through, and there you have your cable connection. I can demonstrate that. So you do have to be careful about the heat shrink. You don't damage that, but essentially you're able to pop this through here. There we go. That's what this looks like. So again, to kind of demonstrate, you've drilled this hole in your wall that you're trying to send your cable through. You install your bushing and it fills the hole. And once you have this through here, you can seal this with whatever sealant is appropriate, maybe some silicone sealant, whatever is appropriate for your wall surface to make sure you have a solid sealed connection. Now the other way, which is likely going to be more common, is if you have a connector on the cable that we made for you that's relatively large in comparison to the diameter of the cable. So this happens to be a UHF connector or a PL259. This is also the same size as an end male connector, so another very common connector that you'll be using. So in this case, this cable grommet, you can see I've already done this, but you want to cut a slit through the side, and I'll just demonstrate that. So simply your utility razor knife, you're going to cut a slit right through the side, just like that, which will allow you to split the grommet. And what that allows you to do is, again, this is just for demonstration purposes. This represents your exterior wall. Turn it this way. You've drilled your hole, 13/16. You send your cable through the hole to get to your interior space, and then you've come back with your grommet that you have, or your bushing that you have split. You can call it a grommet or a bushing. That allows you to pop it onto the cable, nice and easy. You fill it into your hole, and then you're gonna seal this up again with some silicone sealant, whatever you like. And so now you have a nice tight connection through your exterior wall. Okay, and that is the cable bushing that we offer, part number CB400. It's available on our website at jefatech.com. There's some more information about it there. You can also scan the QR code if you can get to that on our video. And any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, it's jefatech.com. Thank you very much, and have a great day.